Within an organization's instance of BoundarySync, there will be users who review and approve submissions. This is the administrator role. When a user submits a shape for review, the shape will appear in the admin's account under Submissions. Each item in this list will have a flag that indicates its status: draft, approved, or submitted. To review a resource that has been submitted, click anywhere on its listing. The landing page for the submission will contain metadata as well as options for the admin. The admin can download the shape as a GeoJSON, open an email prompt, or click Start Review to go to the map interface and look at the shape. The map controls are the same as the ones covered in the previous video, the difference being that the admin cannot alter the shape, but can leave comments in the form of notes on the shape. Toggle off the uploaded image to leave a comment directly on the map. Select the comment icon by the city name and click anywhere on the map to create a note. These notes can be to request changes or to point out specific areas of the shape that may require additional work. Comments can be deleted by selecting them and clicking Delete. Once review is complete, feedback can be summarized in the email that will be prompted to send to the submitter. Once this email has been sent, the status of the submission will be set to Needs Revision, and the admin can wait for the user to make the needed changes. The submitter will be notified that their submission needs revision. They will be able to access it, see how many comments it has, and view comments and alter the shape. Once the necessary changes have been made, the shape can be resubmitted for review. Once resubmitted, the shape will update in the admin account to the submitted status. If the shape does not need further revision, it can simply be approved in the main shape landing page. In the top right is a button that says Mark Approved. Once clicked, the status of the shape will change to Approved. Approved submissions can be reverted to draft by selecting Mark Unapproved. The status of the submission will always be visible next to the title and on the right in the submission list.